Hey, so you're thinking about getting this tank of a wallet. This is by far one of the best wallets, if not the best wallet I've ever owned. Now, I saw this when I was surfing social media and I was like, you know what? Let me order one of these and let me see how I feel about it. Now, before I wasn't really an AirTag on a wallet type of guy, but I'm currently looking for one of my two wallets that I keep with me. I have one wallet that I keep my daily cards in, and then I have a second wallet for cards that I use randomly throughout life. And I'm currently missing that. So I was like, let me get a wallet that I can put multiple cards in and it'll have an AirTag on it. Now, first thing I did say it was a tank of a wallet. This thing is made from metal. It is solid construction. It feels really high quality when you get it. You feel it out of the box. And what I truly loved about it, and I wasn't even ready for this, but it attaches to the back of your phone like so, and that's cool and all, but the thing that drove me crazy, because I did have an Apple Wallet, or I have an Apple Wallet, I changed it out for this one. The thing that drove me crazy with the Apple Wallet, and I'll show you right now as a matter of fact, the thing that drove me crazy with the Apple Wallet is once you put it on, it can just slide all around, and that's not too big of a problem, but it also only holds like 3 cards. And the only real benefit to this is when you put it on your phone, it does the whole Find My thing. So it basically tells you where your wallet is, but it's not like GPS. It just tells you the last place that you removed your wallet. So if I dropped it somewhere, it'll just tell me the last place it was, where it was at, and not if somebody picks it up and takes it with them. Whereas with this one, if they don't take the AirTag out, I mean, it is pretty easy to take it out. You just turn this, let's see, yeah, you turn that like that and pop that off, and you can take the AirTag right off. So it's not going to help if the person knows how to take it off, or if they choose to. But I love the idea of just knowing where my wallet is, because I don't feel like I lost my other wallet. I just think I misplaced it. I think it's somewhere hidden from me. I hid it from myself, I think. But back to this one. This wallet, it's the small details, and I don't know why Apple didn't do this. This right here is a non-slippery coating. I don't know. It's like a rubber coating. And you can see I put this on the table or on the counter. It doesn't move. And what that does with the phone case is when it's on your phone isn't going to move. It actually takes some effort to try to turn it. And that is phenomenal. I was not expecting that when I ordered this case, but that is just one of the added benefits. Now, the one thing that I truly love about this case is, and I find myself randomly using this feature, you can just turn it like this and it holds your phone. And if you wanted a stand, if you wanted a quick stand, you can do your phone like this and angle it. Now, I find myself from working out, I can just set it on the table and I can see my workout video on my phone. And that's ultimately what I use that for. But it's just cool. If you wanted to, you can turn it like this as well. Sometimes it's kind of hard to find that spot, but you turn it like that, and now you have it sideways. I didn't mean to do that. All right, let's get out of that. But now you have it sideways, and you can do this view. So it just works in a number of different ways, and most importantly of all, it holds cards. So you can see, like, you open this, and then you have access to your credit cards, and I believe it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the one thing I don't like about this wallet, it says that you need to have this card in your wallet in order to block RFID. That sucks. I mean, they could have put something in the metal to block RFID, but I just leave it in there because I don't want anybody to steal my credit card information. So yeah, I mean, I'm really happy with this wallet. The only thing is I did have to get used to it being a lot thicker than what I'm used to. As you can see, when you look at the Apple Wallet, which was what I was used to compared to this, it is about 2 times, maybe 3 times as thick as the Apple Wallet with the AirTag holder included. And you can, if you choose not to do the AirTag, you can take it off and you'll just have that little protrusion right there. But I bought this for the AirTag feature, so I just leave this on. And that is one of the cool parts. So let's go set up a scenario real quick. Let's say I'm on the couch, I'm going crazy, bam, wallet gets lost in the couch. Here we are in Find My, and you can see that it says I'm approximately 23 feet away from my AirTag. As I get closer, it says move in different directions, and it's going to tell me So you kind of, oh, it's that way. It's that way. Oh. So now it tells me that I need to turn. And the phone is vibrating as I'm getting closer. And now I know to search over here somewhere. There it is. Bam. Item is moving here. And that's it. That is how it works. Super cool feature. I'm never going to lose my wallet again, especially in the house. I'll know exactly where it's at. And another cool feature, if you want, you can play a sound. And it'll basically play that sound. So it'll help you find it if you lose it in the house. One last thing I really want to talk about is how easy it is to separate it. So you can just pop it off of your phone and it goes right in your pocket. This is still the size of a normal wallet. So it's so easy to just slide this in your pocket. And now you can just use your phone without the wallet attached. And you can always keep your wallet with you. All right. So yeah, this is a super cool wallet. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a wallet that has AirTag features integrated and is basically indestructible. This wallet is nice. And you can also put some cash. I think I saw someone throw cash in here. Let's test that out real quick. So I got some cash right here. Bam, you put cash. Bam, and that's not great. I mean, I wouldn't put that much in there. Let's say if I wanted like 40 bucks to carry with me. You can throw the cash in there and oh yeah, that cash is stuck in there. It's not moving. So it even holds cash. Wow. Yeah, that does a lot. Now keep in mind, this doesn't have any fancy buttons to press where you can the card shoot out. You have to physically pull this up and push those out. And then that's another thing I don't like about this. You have to kind of take all your cards out, but I think most of them operate like that. But you just got to get used to taking all your cards out, or you can just put the one you need on top and then you can just slide it out. But you just figure out your own way to make it work for you. The overall wallet is amazing. I know a lot of stuff on here looks like it might be something extra, but it's not. It's not. This is just decoration. Like this right here is just decoration. The only thing that works is opening this. All right. Well, I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully that answers some of your questions. And yes, let me see. Is that a magnet? Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely magnetized. So the wallet is magnet itself. Wow. So I have a mag back case. So the back of this case is magnet, and my phone, or the back of the case is magnet, and the wallet is magnet. So these pair seamlessly together. Perfect union. All right. Thank you for watching. You have a blessed day.